Namaste to everyone. This is M. Srinivasu, English faculty from DAV High School, Artapita Township. Today I am here to introduce the first topic of class 10, and we are all aware that English textbook of class 10 includes 6 different units. And first unit with a theme called personality development, second unit with a theme called wit and humor, and the third unit with a theme called human relations, and fourth unit with a theme called film and theatres, and fifth unit with the themes of biodiversity, and the sixth unit we have the nation and diversity. Now today we are going to see the first topic with the theme called personality development, and I would like to first introduce the topic flow before we get into the theme discussion. Just have a look at topic flow. We have motivation, interaction of style sheet and face sheet, announcement of the topic, reading activity, explanation, feedback and assignment. If you can just have a look at personality. What is personality? A set of qualities that make a person or a thing distinct from another. I read it once again. A set of qualities that make a person or a thing distinct from another. There is another meaning which is very closely associated, that let's have a look at. Personality development is the relatively enduring pattern of the thoughts, feelings, behaviors that distinguish individuals from each other. Once again, I would like to read. Personality development is the relatively enduring pattern of the thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that distinguish individuals from one another. That is what we can understand. Personality development includes a person's thoughts and his feelings and even his behavioral status. And it is now a time to focus on what are the aspects that includes our personality development more progressive and positive. Let's have a look at another aspects that include personality development are attitude of a person, communication skills, decision making, positive thinking, problem solving approach, stress management, team building, beliefs, etc. Whenever we talk about all of these qualities, this is a pack that supports or makes a person in a progressive state that includes personality development. And we would like to see those aspects in detail. And now I would like to read all my dear students to read the text with more focused. And I also add one more request, that you please make 2 pages of your cursive handwriting per day, so that after months we will make our handwriting so elegant and attractive. So you please follow. In the next session we will be moving to the different aspects that supports personality development. Thank you very much, my dear friends, and we'll meet in the next session. Thank you. I am here today to introduce the topic of first topic of English textbook called personality development. And I would like to welcome you all heartily for the second session of this particular unit. And in the previous session I have mentioned that there are some aspects that includes in the progressive personality of one person. And here I would like to give you some more strengthen by adding each tale or a short story for each aspect of our personality. Here I would like to read it once again. Attitude, communication skills, decision making, positive thinking, problem solving, stress management, team building, beliefs are some of them which make our personality more developed, more progressive. Now here I would like to mention a small tale how a man's personality to be. Once there was a scorpion at one end of the river and would like to go to the other end of the river on certain season. It requested and made friends with one of the frogs which is living in the river and took the help one day to go on to the other end of the river. But the frog expressed its doubt that it is a poisonous creature. If it sting him in the journey, what would be for his life? And finally, the scorpion assured him that he would not sting because if he sting, the frog would die. Naturally, the scorpion also would die. And it said, I will also will die, so why do I sting you? So believing that, the frog kept giving a lift on his back and they were in the middle of the journey. When they were in the middle of the journey in a river, the scorpion sting the frog. And the frog was about to drown in the waters. Dying, asked the scorpion, why did it sting? And the scorpion replied, it is my attitude. How can I change it? Here the point we need to understand, my dear children. If we can change your attitude a little, and it will be a road for our successful journey of our life. So, changing one's attitude for the progress and development is very, very, very essential. Coming to the second point is the communication skills. Communication skills either may be written communication skills or maybe oral communication skills. They are very, very essential to make you one of the recognized person in the society. I would like to give you a small example, a small tale for this particular one to remember us and to make us more intact with it. One day, a couple was kept arguing themselves and they stopped talking to each other. It is not new to them, so they were kept not talking for hours. After a day, the husband of the particular would like to go to the other city on a journey by flight. Being a very sound sleeper, he naturally takes help from his wife to get him wake up. So, as he is not talking to her, so he written a small slip when she was very busy in the kitchen and making, my dear wife, please make me wake up at 4:30. I have to catch an important flight tomorrow morning. But that he has written in a small slip and kept under the pillow of her. When he got up, for his astonishment, it was 8 o'clock and he could not able to resist his anger and he started searching for his wife, where is she? And that time he found a little slip under her pillow and that note went on, my dear husband, it is 4:30, please get up. Then we understand that is improper communication between them. So proper communication skills are always essential, either they are oral or written, my dear students. So add communication skills also is one of the aspects that develop personality development. Coming to the next one, we have decision making skills. I would like to give a small anecdote for this. A merchant's donkey was placed between two bales of green grass and it was kept in the middle of both of them, and it is unable to take a decision that it smelled the first one and felt it was very, very fresh, and it smelled the other one and thought this is more fresher than the previous. It smelled the first one, it smelled the second one. It smelled the first one and smelled the second one. Thus, it could not able to take a decision and thus died starved. Now tell me, what do you understand by this? Yeah, you have different thoughts. But it is only donkeys only cannot take decisions. So we must be very wise, never be a donkey in taking a wise decision in progressive development. Now coming to the next one is called positive thinking. Many psychiatrists and psychologists identify this positive thinking is very, very essential for man's development thus his career and his in life as well. I would like to give you small anecdotes. Once a schoolboy was preparing for himself to attend an audit to be a player in the football team of his school. He went to his mom and said, "Mom, I am going to have my auditions to be a player in the school team." Then she blessed him well, and she was also nervous. What would happen if he is not selected by the coach of the school? She was waited at the school gate in the evening for the boy to come. And the boy was very cheerful in the evening, running to his mother and hugged her. And in surprise, she asked him, "Tell me, my dear son, have you been selected in the football team?" And the boy replied, "No, mom, I am being selected to sit in a gallery and clap for my friends." So that is what we call positive thinking. I would like to add one more here. A British shoe company selected two experienced. I would like to add one more anecdote to this particular positive thinking. A British shoe company appointed two experienced salespersons to go to Africa and verify whether those circumstances are really helpful to establish a shoe company. Here, the two of them went there. Two of them had their research. And the first salesperson reported that is a place where no one wears shoes. So it is not at all suitable for establishing a shoe factory there. And the second salesperson replied and presented the report that it is the very suitable place to establish a shoe company because no one wears shoes. So it is nothing but called positive attitude. Looking only positive aspect rather thinking about the negative aspect is to be identified. So it is now positive thinking. Please make sure, keep in mind. And coming to the next aspect called problem solving approach. We heard that you never give up in your life till you reach what you decided to achieve. I would like to add one more short story for this. A traveler nearby our Kerala surroundings stopped at the garden looking at a huge elephant was tied with a small rope. And for his astonishment, he asked the elephant tamer why it could not able to tear it and can go escape it. And the particular trainer of elephants tamer, he said to the particular traveler, "See, my dear, when it was a baby, we tied with the same rope. By that age, this was very hard for it to tear it and break it. So it decided itself that it could not to break and escape and can lead free life. So thus it fixed itself that it cannot do better in the life. So it is also a point we need to understand that everyone need to have problem solving approach. Everyone will have a problem, but never give up approaching in solving the particular aspect. Coming to the next one, we have stress management. I would like to add one more small thing, my dear friends. Here, once a northern bird would like to travel to the south during the certain season to develop its breed. On its way, it has traveled in the cold atmosphere and its feathers were frozen and its plumage was frozen and it was completely freezing. And as it is freezing temperatures and it could not able to lift its wings well and fell down on the grassy lands. As it was lucky, it fell in the cow dung, which was very warm for the bird. And it was comfortable in that particular place and it started singing so beautifully. Listening the song of the particular fox has approached the bird and picked out of this bird out of the dung and killed it and ate it up. Here we identify whenever we are in deep shit, better keep our mouth shut. Or we can understand in our silence, silence is better whenever we are in stress. Let's see one more example of this aspects of personality development, that is nothing but called team building. Team building is very, very essential in cooperating, communicating, working together for the achievement is always essential. So I would like to add one more small story to make us remember about these aspects perfectly. Let's see, once a two old couple went to a restaurant, have offered their breakfast. Both of them were sitting opposite in direction, and the lady of the particular couple, then she started eating, and the husband sitting in front of her, watching her admiringly. And people who are in the other tables looking at this man surprisingly and asked him, why are you spending time watching her eating? Why don't you take another plate and also continue eating? And the old man smiled at them and said, my dear, we have only one tooth set. She is eating. After she completes, I will have the tooth set and start eating. So this is nothing but called coordination, cooperation between or among people that make team building. So team building is also plays an important role in making one's personality development. Coming to the last aspect, that is called beliefs. People have different kinds of beliefs, different kinds of backgrounds, environments they have come from. I would like to add a small tale before end of the session. Once a small girl watching her mother preparing dinner for them. Her mother was frying a fish and she was seeing her mother cut the tail and the head of the fish. Whenever she had seen the tail and head of the fish cut and being on the pan, she asked her mother, my dear mom, why did you cut the tail and the head of the fish and fry it? She thought for a minute and said, my dear daughter, I don't know in fact. My mother used to do, I started doing the same. If you had any doubt, you please ask your grandma, she suggested. So finding a good time, the girl asked her grandmother, why did she have her fish cut its tail and the head while it was frying, when she was frying it? And a old woman, her grandmother replied, my dear granddaughter, actually I don't know, that my mother used to do the same, I started doing the same. So she approached her great grandma and asked her, why she was frying her fish by cutting head and tail. And the great grandma replied, smiling, my dear granddaughter, my pan was very little. It could not exist if the tail and the head is kept there on the pan. So I usually cut the tail and the head of the fish while I am frying, so that it is more convenient to me to fry it. So here what we understand, some of us, we take some aspect from others without knowing what is the scientific reason or accurate or truth behind it, and we blindly follow. So we need to identify what is fact, what is fake, to approach in the right way towards the personality development. Here, I would like to conclude the session, my dear students. In the next session, we will be meeting with the face sheet and the style sheet interaction of our team called personality development. So at the end, I would like to add a request. I like to ask you to read the lines of the A reading called Attitude is Altitude, and I also add a request that you please make 2 pages of your copywriting in cursive handwriting, so that your handwriting will be more elegant and more fantastic for approaching examinations and further academic year. I wish you all the best, my dear students, and we'll meet in the next session with the style sheet and face sheet interaction further to the title and the lesson. Thank you very much.